Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M04 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off automatic screen rotation on this Samsung. First of all, go into Tab menu. Now look for Portrait or Auto Rotate icon. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, Portrait is over here. So when I click, it's blue and it says Auto Rotate. That means that auto rotation is now on. If you wish to switch it off, click on Auto Rotate icon until it says Portrait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!